I'm Luciana, and this is my manifesto for a healthier, balanced, and happy life. Why a manifesto? It is my deepest belief that our life experience is a reflection of our inner state. Throughout years of personal journey, dedicated professional health coaching, I have come to understand that the pursuit of health and wellness, it's not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. It is rather a deeply personal, lifelong journey that requires an unyielding commitment to balance, consistency, and self-accountability. Yet, there are general rules, or perhaps I should say patterns, that are present in the successful stories I encounter. This manifesto is the crystallization of this wisdom. It is an oath to yourself and a proclamation to the world of your intent to live a balanced, healthy, and wholesome life. 1. Self-love comes before everything. Often, we impose conditions on self-love. We set milestones such as, I will love my body once I achieve a certain weight. The flaw in this mindset is that it postpones self-love to a hypothetical future that may or may not come. Instead, we must learn to love our bodies now, not as they could be or should be, but as they are. Your body does not need to earn your love. It is deserving of your love unconditionally and intrinsically. Expect our bodies to look a certain way before they deserve our love is an entitled stance, and that is not only unfair to our bodies, but also removes our responsibility, relegating us to a disempowering victim mentality. Only when we begin to love our bodies do we start to make good choices for them. When we dislike or hate our bodies, every decision we make reflects this negative sentiment. Therefore, they can never be optimal decisions. 2. Treat your body as your best friend. Your body is your lifelong companion. It deserves respect, care, and love, just as you'd give to a cherished friend. When you view your body as a friend, you are more likely to make choices that nourish and strengthen it. Feed it nutritious foods, challenge it with regular exercise, pamper it with rest, and love it unconditionally. 3. Your body is the result of all your choices. While genetics, environment, and circumstances beyond our control influence our bodies, our lifestyle choices play a pivotal role in shaping our physical and mental well-being. The food we eat, the exercise we do, the sleep we get, and even the thoughts we think contribute to our body's state. Make conscious, mindful decisions that nurture, strengthen, and respect your body. The current state of your body is the result of all the choices we have made so far. However, we shouldn't feel guilty about this. Instead, we should feel empowered, knowing that the future state of our bodies will be the result of the decisions we make in the present. 4. You don't climb the Everest on the first day. Ambitious goals are commendable, but it's important to remember that significant changes are accomplished incrementally. The process is as important as the destination. And it's the small, consistent steps that lead to monumental transformations. View life as a marathon, not a sprint. Cultivate patience and perseverance, and celebrate each small victory along your path. 5. If you don't move, you don't move. Momentum is a powerful force. It starts with a single step and builds with consistent action. Waiting for motivation to strike before starting a new venture or habit is a recipe for inertia. Motivation often comes after action, not before. Begin with what you can and let your actions fuel your motivation. 6. Resting is an investment in time. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. When we skip on sleep or neglect to take breaks, our productivity and health suffer. Time saved by reducing rest is time lost in diminished performance and well-being. Invest in adequate rest and rejuvenation. And be mindful of where you spend your time and energy. Avoid negative influence and engage in activities that uplift and energize you. 7. Positivity is empowering. Everything happens for a reason. That is often said in times of distress or confusion. In this manifesto, I want to add nuance to this phrase. Rather than the common interpretation that there is some cosmic reasoning behind every incident, I propose a more empowering perspective. Every event in our life occurs for one of two reasons, either as a reward or as a lesson. Option 1. Reward for actions taken. Many of the positive outcomes we experience in life are related to the choices we've made and the actions we've taken. For example, if we consistently choose to nourish our bodies with nutritious food and engage in regular physical activity, we are rewarded with improved health and fitness. Such rewards affirm the value of our choices and spurs us to continue our healthy routines. Option 2. Lesson to be learned. Life's most profound lessons often come dressed as challenges, obstacles, or even failures. These are not negative incidents to be avoided, but valuable opportunities to learn, grow, and evolve. It's through overcoming these challenges that we develop resilience, strength, and wisdom. Rather than viewing them with trepidation or negativity, see them as critical growth points on your life's journey. Adopting this two-sided perspective enables us to approach life with an empowering, positive mindset. Every situation becomes an opportunity for growth or affirmation. It's this positive perspective that fuels resilience, fosters self-efficacy, and empowers us to continue on our path to a healthier, more balanced life. 8. Everything that is not growing is dying. Stagnation is antithetical to life. Just as trees grow, shed, and regrow, we too must constantly evolve, learn, and grow. Embrace the beauty of constant growth and be content, yet never complacent. There is a vast difference between being content and being satisfied. Contentment is appreciating and valuing what you have now, but satisfaction implies that there is no further room for growth or empowerment. Strive for continuous personal and physical development. Believe in the promise of better, healthier days, and let that belief be the fuel that drives you forward each day. Conclusion. This manifesto is not merely words on a page. It is a living, breathing ethos that demands attention and action. Living a balanced, healthy life isn't a pursuit that starts tomorrow, next week, or next year. It starts now. It starts with the decision to love yourself as you are, the resolution to make healthy choices, and the commitment to continuous growth and learning. When you embrace balance, consistency, and self-accountability, you take charge of your own wellness. You become the master of your health, the architect of your well-being, and the author of your own life story. Stand tall in your commitment to health. Let this manifesto guide your steps, shape your decisions, and illuminate your path as you journey toward a healthier, happier, more balanced life.